As an audiologist, I'm often asked about hearing protection and if we should wear it. So summer is full of lots of fun and activities, but it also can bring increased noise exposure, which can cause permanent hearing loss. So things like fun activities such as concerts, fireworks for 4th of July, recreational activities such as firearm use, mowing the lawn, using a chainsaw, as well as occupational noise exposure, such as working in a factory or something like that. All of that noise exposure can add up and can cause permanent hearing loss. So it's really important that we utilize hearing protection anytime we think we might be exposed to excessive noise. And there are a few different kinds. So we have foam earplugs, which are easy to kind of pinch down, and then if you pull back on your ear, you just kind of push it down towards your ear canal and then let it expand back up. There's electronic hearing protection, which can take a battery or be rechargeable, but it's custom fit for certain types of noise exposure. There are also earmuffs, hearing protection, that you can wear. Some come with Bluetooth and some come without. And you can wear these with or without hearing aids as well, if you are a patient or a person who wears hearing aids. The ears that you're born with are the ears that you carry with you for a lifetime. So all of that damage compounds. So we think about whenever we're out in the sun and we get a sunburn, and the number of sunburns add up to your risk for skin cancer, things like that. It's the same idea with hearing. The more times you're exposed to excessive amounts of noise, those effects compound and can become permanent hearing loss and make you a hearing aid candidate maybe more sooner than we would like. So if you're mowing the lawn and things like that, you're only doing that for a short period of time, hopefully for less than an hour. So something like a foam earplug should be sufficient. If you're a recreational firearm user, like target shoot, my police officers, that kind of thing, I would encourage earmuffs and things like that. All forms of hearing protection have something called a noise reduction rating, or an NRR, that you can look at on the packaging. The higher the number means the more reduction in noise. You can combine the two, like you could wear foam earplugs and earmuffs if you worked in an industry where that were recommended to you by your hearing conservation professional at your plant or something like that, but the numbers don't add together quite the same. So if you saw a noise reduction of 22 and 26, you don't add those two numbers together. The math doesn't quite work that way. But in certain circumstances, you would be able to combine two different types of hearing protection to get a little added protection. If you have any questions about hearing protection or would like to get a hearing test, you can go to our website at bluegrasshearing.com.
Ask an Audiologist is brought to you by Bluegrass Hearing.